This PMU machine has up to 6 hours of battery time, is small enough to take on a masterclass, and is equally suitable for brows, lips and eyeliner treatments. Want to know more? You'll have to keep watching. This is the DragonHawk Mast Tour, a wireless pen-style permanent makeup machine that is both compact and boasts a long-lasting battery. The pen is just 82 grams on its own, or 144 grams when combined with the battery pack, which of course saves you from the backward drag of a heavy cable. The frame of the Mast Tour is made from solid rods of high-grade aluminium and separates completely from the grip, which can be sterilised in an autoclave. The sleek and slimline 25mm diameter grip makes it comfortable to hold in even smaller hands. And the machine by itself is only 85mm long, so it's not only convenient to take on your travels, but super simple to barrier protect. The Mast Tour's 3.5mm stroke length makes it ideal for a wide range of PMU treatments, including brows, lips and eyeliner, and it can even be used to create fine line tattoos. Compatible with universal cartridges and a relatively soft hit for a rotary style machine, it's possible to build up soft or pixelated effect in PMU with multiple passes without damaging your client's skin. It's also the perfect stroke length for beginners learning the trade, and you'll be able to grow with it. Trainers, don't forget about this machine when you're planning your course supplies. The battery is powerful too. With up to 6 hours of battery life from 3 hours of charge via USB-C, you'll be able to complete an average day of treatments with no problem. And if the battery pack does run out, you can simply switch it out for an RCA power cable and keep on working. The battery pack is just about the same size as the machine itself and features a large button on the top which can be used to turn the machine on and off. Just press and hold the power button for 2 seconds. This same button controls the voltage with just a click to cycle through the available options from 6 to 11 volts. You'll also notice the battery life LED indicators, which will help you to keep track of how much time you have left to work at a glance, even when it's wrapped. And finally, turning the battery pack is how you can adjust the needle depth from 0 to 4mm. Whether you're new to the world of PMU, want to try out a wireless machine for the first time, or you just think that the DragonHawk Mast Tour is the one for you, you can follow the link in the description to find it on our site. And as always, make sure to hit the like button on this video and subscribe to the Killer Beauty YouTube for more product reviews, artist interviews, tutorials and other educational content.